So now we'll go for replication of our model, but before that we have to complete some tasks, because here or that landing was 3 feet, but here we have extended that portion for our that staircase. So I will modify that portion little bit. So how I'll go for it, I'll just go here, first floor here, and you know, from that point we have 3 feet. If I go here, this is 3 feet. So here I have to take that portion. Now I'll just go here, I will click edit boundary. From here I'll take a simple line, and from here, or from middle actually, I have to take a line like that from here. Okay, and I'll just go for trim. I'll trim that portion. It's done. Also I'll trim that portion here. I'll go okay, attach. Okay, no problem. Go to 3D. See, here we have taken the portion how we need actually, like that portion. So when it's okay, now we are ready to replicate our model. To replicate our model, I'll go to ground floor. I'll uncheck it. Okay, and here I'll select our total model, and from here, when everything is selected, again I'll go first floor. Sorry, I'll go to our stair level 1. Okay, from here simply press shift and uncheck or unselect a staircase from here, or go to 3D, and from here, okay, done. Again done. I think it's okay. Okay, also I'll not replicate our slab, because if I go for replication, it will, okay, no problem, take it. Okay, done. So we have selected everything we need to replicate. Even press Ctrl and select that one, press Ctrl, select that one, come here, press Ctrl, select that one, have to select that Windows. Okay, come here, done. So when, and also here, Ctrl, select, Ctrl and select, it's okay. So when everything is okay, now we'll go for next step. So what will be our next step, and see everything is selected or not. When everything is selected, I'll just go here, copy, element, I'll go to again here, I'll select all of that portion, I'll go to 3D, maybe Control, select, select that one, select that one, Okay, we have copied. Now we'll go here. This is for ground floor. Now we'll go for our above floor. So where I'll just go ahead, paste, then here, and where we want to paste, actually I want to paste for first floor, then second floor. Okay, first floor and second floor. I'll just go okay. Okay, highlighted floor overlapped. So they have something which have been overlapped. I know where it's have been overlapped, because here at floor it's have been overlapped, so we'll resolve it. But before that we have to remove that staircase from here. Also remove that staircase. Done. So after replicate, we have to remove something here. If you go here, they have overlap, so I'll delete that, and I think everything is okay. Okay, and I'll select that one, and by pressing Ctrl I'll select that one, and I'll again go for copy, replicate to selected floor where roof level. Okay, it's done. Right, so when everything is okay, now I have to select that one also, and I'll copy, paste it to our level 2 and level 3. I'll just go back. Copy to clipboard, assign still level 2, so I'll select, I'll save our model, and I'll go again. I have to place or that portion here where it's moving here. Okay, let's copy again, go to assign to selected level, and to provide that in level 2, then okay, it's oh, I'm very sorry, it's replicating because they have some issue with that height, offset height. Okay, so that's why so I'll select that one, and I'll just go edit, and I'll go duplicate, go okay, then go okay, and after that now I'll just make it 0, then apply, just see, now it's okay. Okay, so actually because of our that offset value, it's showing like that. So copy again, go here, copy selected level, and go to it's done. So for our staircase, now we are ready to draw our staircase as previous. I'll save it. Now when everything is okay, now we'll go for creating our staircase. So it will be very easy to create a staircase now. I'll just go to our first floor level, and from here we'll draw our staircase. Okay, and if I just go here, go to overlay in our first floor, we'll go to second floor overlay for that one. Okay, from first floor, second floor overlay, and I'll just measure it. This is 7 feet 6 inches. So 7 feet 6 inches means 19. We'll take 10. We'll take. So I'll just go architect, go a staircase, and here I'll go estate, then run, and when I'll just go edit, replicate, everything will be same. And we can consider that for 6 inches maximum, apply. Okay, so first floor to stair level 2, and from here center, if we start, just click here and click here, go to 3D. See here our stair have been created and in section. So it's done, right? In our section, let's see, it's perfectly done. So again, actually it's started from that point, because if I just go to our ground floor, and if I move it here, and if I move it here, and now go here, see, from that portion it will start. Okay, from that portion it will start. So that's why it's showing like that. Now it's okay. Now again, I'll just go here, and now everything will be okay, or everything will be easy. So how I'll just go to now our level 2 stair, landing level 2 here, and here I'll create our, from here we'll start. So again, I'll just go staircase, then I'll go to run, everything will be okay. We'll change nothing. So from middle point, okay, and by pressing move tools, okay, no need to use move tools. I'll just go section. See, it's also okay. It's also okay. And if we go to in 3D, it's done. What I'll do, I'll just delete that one. I'll delete that one. Select that one. Change then rail to pipe. Select that one. Pipe. Okay, and now I'll select that one. Also, sorry, by pressing Ctrl, I'll select that one, and we'll go copy, go selected level, and I'll press paste it to second floor level. Done. Okay, see how far perfectly we have created that portion without any problem. So if I just go to our section view, you can see it's done. So this is the way to replicate and to create our staircase perfectly Now in our next lecture, we'll go for further text. Here we have to provide a boundary wall, a circular boundary wall. Okay, and after creating that circular boundary wall, we'll go for our next step or next work. So till that video, stay connected.